National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a tornado warning for southern Hayes County in southwestern Nebraska until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Palisade, Oregon, 9 miles southwest of Hayes Center, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hayes Center around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hamlet. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Hayes, Nebraska,